have it. Our egg drops. Let's put a little bit of string onions. Ayan. Breakfast is ready. Ito na yung ating egg drop soup. Ayan, napakasarap niya. Super tasty. And this one is our set of breakfast. Hi guys, good morning. Today I'm going to cook a breakfast of my husband. A very simple breakfast. Our ingredients is, ayan, meron tayong bread. And then 3 eggs and sausage. And meron tayong ito, fresh na cheese. Itap natin later sa ating. Okay, so now let's proceed to our next procedure. Now let's put the dashi stacks in our 2 pieces of egg. Let's put brown black pepper, just a little bit, and let's beat this egg. Egg is already beaten. Let's add a pinch of salt, just a little bit. And then, while we're doing that, let's on our stove and let's boil our sausage here. Just let it boil. We're boiling our sausage. Let's move to another pan and let's cook our egg. Here, let's get our pan and add a little bit of olive oil, just like that. Just a little bit of olive oil, and then we put our egg. That's it. This is very simple. It's boiling here. Let's make our egg. For egg is look like that. We have to do like that. Simple breakfast. And here is our sausage. Kapag naubos na yung sabaw niya guys, yung water, we can put butter later para maging malasa yung pan. While mainit pa siya, let's put our bread. Just keep our bread only. Ayan, pwede na siya. Konti na lang para lagyan natin siya ng butter later. And then, while our bread is already mainit na, so let's take off this and let's put cream. Now, let's put fresh garlic cheese cream. Just put it. Ayan, yan yung ating cream. And while tapos, there you go. Ayan. Nalagay na natin ang ating garlic fresh cheese na cream. Ayan. Na-plate na natin siya. And while tapos na to, now let's proceed to our sauce. Gagawa tayo ng, not sauce, soap. Gagawa tayo ng soap ng eggs drop soap. Ayan. Here, let's boil the water and let's put cornstarch. Half cup of cornstarch. And then, lagyan natin siya ng seasoning, black pepper, and a little bit of salt. And of course, let's add 1 spoon of Chinese wipa, yung pampalasa sa ating egg soup. So, yan na siya. Boiled na siya. So, malasa na yun, guys. So, now, let's put our beaten egg. Na 1 egg. Let's put our 1 egg beaten. And mix it. Just like that. And after this one, let's put sesame oil. You add sesame oil and then you can turn off your heat now. Okay? That's it. Our egg drop. Breakfast is ready. Egg drop soup. Super tasty. And this one is our set of breakfast.